Hello guys, welcome to my first video. Today we are going to make oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. This is a very simple recipe to make healthy snack or breakfast. Some of the ingredients we will be using are 2 to 3 bananas, and they have to be ripe, 2 large eggs, 1.5 cups of almond milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of cinnamon, ground cinnamon, 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of salt, 3 cups of rolled oats or oatmeal, and 1/4 cup of chocolate chip. We would also be needing a large mixing bowl, a spoon or spatula, whatever you prefer, and a 12-piece of cupcake pan. So the first step that you will have to be doing, we have to preheat your oven. And it has to be 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll proceed to the ingredients. We'll add the bananas. Make sure that they're very well smashed, okay, and mixed. The bananas, they have to be ripe, and it's your decision how you like them. The riper the better, because they are very sweet, but it's your preference. So we'll smash the bananas. We'll add your eggs, 1 egg at a time, little by little, as you keep smashing the bananas. Gradually add milk. Make sure to mix well. Keep mixing. Don't stop mixing when you're adding your ingredients. Then the next step, we'll add baking powder, cinnamon, nutmegs, salt, and just make sure that everything is well mixed. It's well incorporated together. And we'll gradually add the rolled oats, making sure that everything is getting incorporated little by little. It smells delicious. Remember, this can be used just as a healthy snack. It could be as a breakfast. You can eat it for dessert, however you like. Lastly, we add the chocolate chips. There we go. We already have our oatmeal cupcakes. The next step we're doing, we are adding on the pan, the cupcake pan, we're grabbing it. We're gonna fill about halfway to 3/4 of the way of the cupcake pan. Making sure that everything's evenly spread. So make sure that you have added at least to every single piece of the cupcake pan. And if you think you need more, you can go back and keep adding to the rest. So I have a few that we see that we might need a little bit more. So I'm going back and add some more to those ones. It'll be here. Some more over here on this side. And remember, one of the most important things when you're working, don't forget to wash your hands before you start. That's the most important thing when you're cooking. Move this to the side. And you can always grab a little more chocolate chips and put some more on the top so they can cook. Give some different presentation on it. It's not a lot. It's already has a lot of flavor all together with the chocolate chips that we added into our mix. It's just a little bit for presentation. After we add the chocolate chips, we'll grab our pan and we'll put it into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm sorry. And then we'll be right back. This is how it looks right now. And then we'll be right back when these are done. Alrighty guys, it's been 25 minutes, so we're gonna come over and check. So it looks that they're done. So we're gonna take our heat pads, take them out of the oven. Put them on the counter. Make sure to let them set for about 10 minutes before you take them out of the cupcake pan. Alright guys, this is our final product. Looks delicious. They taste delicious. Please let me know what you think.